How's it going? Michael here with my 1970 Chevy C10 pickup truck. I found this truck in San Diego, actually drove down to look at another truck full of rust. Looked like they had pulled it out of the bottom of the ocean. And that guy said that there was another one right around the corner. So we followed him and picked it up. It needed a full restoration, but that's where I got it, down in San Diego, California. I purchased this truck in February of 2019 and took about a year and a half to restore it, and started driving it in August of 2022. So this green is the original green. It's Chevy paint code 504. It's a medium olive. The glove box showed what the original paint color was, and we got a paint store in Laguna Niguel, California to match the color for us. So this is a Chevy 350 V8. It came with an original 350. It was replaced sometime around 78 from Chevy with a 350, and has a 350 Chevy Turbo Hydro transmission. So this is my daily driver. I drive it probably 6 days a week to and from work, averaging probably only 10 miles per day, 10-15 miles a day. And it gets roughly 10 miles to the gallon. So my favorite part of the truck is the interior. It's all original, nothing's been done to it. It looks exactly like it would have in 1970, and it's like a little time capsule. I think that's my favorite part of the truck. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Next video I have coming out is going to be Richard's 64 Stingray in 4K. So be sure to check that one out. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Hey everybody.